Pocket knives have evolved. Forget those shaky tools of the past. This is the Scarab 2 EDC knife. It's an everyday carry knife that is truly built for a lifetime. Let's look at the premium materials first. The blade is made from M390 steel. This is a super premium super steel. Why does that matter? It means the blade is incredibly hard. It holds an edge longer than almost anything else. It also resists rust and wear. You will use this knife without worrying about dulling it. The handle is a blend of titanium and carbon fiber. The main frame is aerospace-grade titanium. This makes it strong but keeps it lightweight. The carbon fiber inlay is tough. It gives you a non-slip, secure grip. This combination of materials is about ultimate durability. This knife will last forever. Now let's talk about the action. This is a folding EDC knife designed for speed. It boasts 3 lightning-fast openings. This includes a flipper tab and a thumb slot. You can deploy it quickly and confidently no matter the situation. The action is smooth and precise. One cool hidden feature is that it is Tritium Ready. Tritium is a glowing material. You can install a small vial into the handle. This lets you locate your knife instantly, even in total darkness. That's a huge benefit for camping or late-night tasks. The Scarab 2 isn't just a tough tool. It's a precision instrument. It's for the person who appreciates top-tier engineering. If you need a knife you can trust every single day, this is a serious contender. It's truly built for lifetime. Finally, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the best EDC gear.